Nepal. As we know, Nepal is the Hindu country in the world. Nepal has the most striking features in the great numbers of temples and gods. The geographical location of Nepal is looking like rectangular shape. It runs in the northwest southeast direction, stretching about 850 km from west to east and 200 km from north to south. At the foot of the Himalayas, Nepal is home to 8 of the world's 10 highest mountains, including Mount Everest, which is the highest one in the world. When we are talking about Nepali dresses, the most important thing I noticed there is the cap of the male person, which is called Dhaka Topi. It is a symbol of love, emotion, and respect in their society. The male's traditional costume is called Daura Surwal, and women's traditional costume is called Kurta Surwal. Most of the women wear sari in Nepal. Nepal is the country of cultural diversity. There are approximately 131 different ethnic groups in Nepal, and they have different traditional dresses, festival, and other things too. Some of the ethnic groups of Nepal are Newars, Limbus, Sherpas, Magars, Gurungs, Tamangs, etc.
आहै आएका हैनौ आहै बलि राजाको आहै हुकुमले गर्दा आहै आएका हामी आहै ठुलेर साने आहै अर्को घर जाने आहै यहाँ मात्रै हैन आहै नौ डाँडा पारी आहै पुग्नु नै पर्छ आहै घोडा बाँध्ने तबेला आहै हामीलाई भो अबेला आहै हामीलाई भो अबेला सुख शान्ति जीवनको साथी होस् घर बेटीको हिमाल चाहिँ साथी होस् सुख शान्ति जीवनको साथी होस् घर बेटीको हिमाल चाहिँ साथी होस् घर बेटीको हिमाल चाहिँ साथी होस्।
Do you know Nepal is the country who never celebrate any Independence Day like other country? Everyone saying about Nepal is the beautiful garden of all kinds of flowers and open museum. They have many castles culture, and religions. Nepal is rich in cultural diversity. People live in the Himalayas, hilly, and Tarai regions from east to west. They celebrate many different festivals. There are different types of festival in Nepal, such as Dasai, Tihar, Maha Sivaratri, Phagu Purnima, which is also called Holi, Buddha Jayanti, etc. As we know, Dasai, which is the most important festival among the Hindu people in Nepal, it is celebrated in the month of October and November. During Tihar or Deepavali, which is the festival of lights, colorful decoration, sweets, etc. Tihar is a festival of 5 days. The fifth day is known as Bhaitika. In these days, sisters and brothers get together and accept Tika from each other. The Tej festival is also celebrated in Nepal, and it is celebrated for the long life and good health, good relationship between husband and wife, where Losar is the Tibetan New Year festival in the Nepal. Nepal also celebrates so many other festivals. Nepalese peoples are kind-hearted, brave, emotional, and welcoming nature. Lastly, I request you to visit Nepal and try to understand the cultural diversity and cultural scenario of Nepal. It will give you lot of happiness in your life. Thank you.